Hi and welcome to another daily video. Let's jump right in with a writing prompt. Take 2 minutes and write about something refreshing. Something in nature that is refreshing. Go. See you on the other side of 2 minutes. How did that go? I admit I chose the prompt of refreshing because I thought I needed a little bit of refreshing of my energy. So what better way to draw upon refreshment than to turn to nature and write about what in nature refreshes us. So let's see if it worked. Here's what I wrote. Refreshing, the breeze at dusk after the sun is mostly set. Wispy clouds, cooling winds, birdsong, morning rain, dawn, dew, moonlight. The moon is cooling, the in-breath is cooling. Thinking of being immersed in water is cooling. The sound of a burbling brook, the burbling sound of the birds. So I admit I got a little stuck as I was writing. I wrote moonlight, and I then thought about how moonlight was cooling, and I kind of stopped writing. And so, taking my own advice, I just kept on going with the stream of consciousness there and turned from refreshing more to cooling. So that's kind of an interesting observation that I went down the path to cooling. Okay, now it's time for our sketching prompt. Okay, for our sketching prompt today, I thought we would sketch a flower. So you can either sketch an actual flower that you have nearby, you can sketch one outdoors if it's the season for that in the place where you are, or indoors on a houseplant, or from memory, or from a picture. So I've got a flower that just is really speaking to me now, so I'm gonna sketch that one and I'll show you what it is. Let's go. Okay, I have these sweet daisies. Look at how they're sweetly swaying in the wind, and they just called to me, so what better thing to do than sketch them? So just look at the beautiful pattern of the petals and the inside of it. This amazing Fibonacci sequence swirl. Just when you start to really look at something, it's fascinating. And there's a few insects in there too, but wow, the beauty of that is incredible. Okay, here's my daisy. And yesterday I did a contour. Today I think I'm just gonna do an expressive sketch. Just the circle has these little kind of like uneven bobby edges to it. So I'm just going to indicate that. And it actually has these little, like a spiral of, like a Fibonacci sequence spiral in the middle. I don't know if I'm going to tackle that, but I don't need to. Just making an impression of it. So I'll see what happens. There you go. There's just kind of different petals here. And let's see, I'll go this way. And they're overlapping, and they're so starkly white. The color is it's actually very, very fresh color, very refreshing. So that's a good choice for today. I didn't even really think of that until right now. It's just, I have a meditation where fresh as a flower, and from Thich Nhat Hanh, Flower Fresh, the Four Pebbles meditation. And this flower just is particularly fresh in its color, and it's just its essence. It's very fresh. So, good choice for me today. And let's see, how am I gonna indicate this spiral? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. It's definitely a spiraling out kind of Fibonacci pattern. It's very detailed. So that is something quite incredible in and of itself. So just to kind of indicate that with some swirls and gestures. So flower fresh. So I do feel refreshed. There's my flower, my drawing, and the actual flower. And there's an ant on my notebook. So yeah, I do feel refreshed from this practice, and I hope you do too. See you tomorrow.